Hey guys, how's it going? Will here. Hope you're staying safe indoors and staying healthy always. So I am finally back after a 2 months break, and this is the video that I've promised you guys from the previous video about this Maybank Grab card. In this video, I'll basically talk about my experience from the beginning all the way to the end, as I have used this card for about a month and just want to talk you through on how is the process, what is the reward scheme and whatnot, as well as in the end the final review and final rating, and my final thoughts on whether or not you should go for the credit card. Now let's talk about from the first step, which is the application of the card. I have applied for this card, I think not more than 2 or 3 days after it was announced and after it was launched, as I can see it in the Grab app. After I dropped my application to Maybank, my approval was surprisingly very fast. I got approved within 1 hour, and I got a text message saying that my card has been approved. After that, it took them about 2 to 2.5 weeks to get my card delivered to my office, and I think that is rather long. I mean, like 2 to 2.5 weeks just to get a card that was approved in under 1 hour. Maybe Maybank is flooded with applications, or they are just taking their time in delivering the card or getting the card ready. I'm not too sure, but I see other reviewers out there, they managed to get the card within like 1 week, some even faster, like within 3 to 5 days. Why mine reached me in 2.5 weeks, I'm not too sure about that. But anyway, I think Maybank should speed up the delivery process of the card, because like I've mentioned in my initial thoughts video, there is a incentive for spending a certain amount of money within a certain amount of time after the approval has been obtained. So for my case, I actually gotten the approval 2 to 2.5 weeks before I got the card. So that is the amount of time wasted that I have to catch up on in the event of me wanting to get the voucher incentives, which I think is about 45 days if I'm not mistaken. So that is something that Maybank can work on. After that, I've gotten my card. So as you can see over here, so this is my card. It comes in 2 versions, black and white. So I prefer the black card because I think it looks a lot classier. This is the front look of the card. As you can see, it's very different from the conventional credit card, as well as this is the back. I have actually put this is actually my credit card info. So the front has no info, but the back part of the card does. So this is a brand new look for this Grab card. It looks very classy. This is a very nice design. I think Maybank should continue doing this design, as I think the look of the card itself is one factor of selection of the credit card itself, even though it is not really a major criteria. Upon activation of the credit card, I got the welcome bonus, which is 1,000 Grab points within the next day. So that is pretty fast. And immediately after that, I used my first transaction, which is to reload my Grab wallet balance, and the 5-time Grab points like they advertise. But I did not use the card for the next 2 to 3 days because I noticed that my Grab membership status is still not yet platinum. So I would like to know what exactly is the time frame in order to get the upgraded status. And it took them about 3 to 4 days before my membership was upgraded to platinum. And after that, I have been actively using the credit card as well as the Grab Pay to check on the points accrual to see if I still get the 5 times point as advertised when I use the Grab app or the credit card. Upon getting the platinum status for your Grab membership, It says here you can get 2 times point accrual for spending using the Grab app. These 2 times is not applicable to stack on top of the 5 times as advertised in the credit card. So you won't be getting 10 times the points, but instead you will just get the 5 times as stated within the credit card terms and conditions. So my final thought of this credit card would be, this is a very good credit card for those Grab app users, whether they are using for Grab Food or Grab Ride, or even using it as Grab Wallet. This is a perfect credit card for you guys, but I do not see it worthwhile if you are planning to get it for other purposes like dining out or buying your items from online shopping. I don't see it as being worthwhile because the points accrual is very much different compared to you focusing just purely on the Grab app. And for that, my final rating for this credit card would be a 7 out of 10, which is similar to my initial thought. It would have been higher if Maybank managed to just send the card out quickly, but that's just me because that is my personal experience because I got the card a bit late. But other than that, I think this is a must-have credit card for you Grab app users. Personally, I am just saving this credit card as part of my Grab app favorite credit card. So whatever transaction I do in Grab app, I will just use this credit card entirely and just leave it at that. You practically don't even have to bring it out anymore. You can just set your credit card details into the app and then just put this credit card away, lock it away, and you're done. You just have to keep spending on this credit card whenever you are using Grab. So this is my full review as well as my personal experience on using this Maybank and Grab credit card for about a month. I hope that this video is helpful to you guys in making your decision. I apologize for taking so long to make this video as I am facing some personal issues. I will be releasing more coverage on other credit cards as well as some other interesting topics, and I hope you can stay tuned for that. Thank you for still supporting this channel and watching my videos. Feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell as well, as I will be continuing my upload schedule in a more predictable manner. I am targeting 1 video a week. If you have any comments, feel free to write it down in the comment below and I'll respond to you as soon as I can, as best as I can. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.